GoPro has long been the king of action cameras, providing thrill seekers and adventure lovers with the most robust and reliable recording solutions. But let's be honest, recent GoPro releases have felt more like incremental updates rather than groundbreaking innovations. While we've seen useful additions like new lens mods and AI-powered editing features, the competition is catching up fast. Brands like DJI and Insta360 are pushing the envelope, forcing GoPro to up its game. Now, with the GoPro Hero 14 Black, the company is reportedly making major leaps, promising a more powerful, versatile, and future-proof action camera. If you're thinking about getting a GoPro, it might be worth waiting for this next-gen release. Let's break down the expected launch date, rumored features, and potential upgrades that could redefine the action camera market. GoPro Hero 14 Black release date. When to expect it? For years, GoPro has stuck to a consistent release cycle, typically unveiling its new Hero models every September. Based on multiple reports and insider leaks, the GoPro Hero 14 Black is expected to launch on September 20th. While this isn't an official confirmation, past trends suggest that this date is highly probable. If you're planning to upgrade, mark your calendars and stay tuned for the official announcement. GoPro Hero 14 Black, major upgrades and new features. Now, let's dive into what makes the Hero 14 Black so exciting. GoPro needs to bring real innovation to reclaim its dominance, and the following rumored upgrades could make that happen. 1. A bigger sensor for superior image quality. One of the biggest complaints about recent GoPro models has been their image quality, which has relied heavily on software-based processing rather than hardware improvements. But things are changing. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from previous models. What does a 1-inch sensor mean for users? Better low-light performance. More light intake means clearer, sharper footage in dark conditions. Enhanced dynamic range. More details in both highlights and shadows. Professional-grade video quality. Competing directly with high-end cameras like the DJI Osmo Action 5. 2. Edge-to-edge display. More screen, more control. For years, GoPro users have been asking for a larger, full-screen display, and it looks like the Hero 14 Black will deliver. The new model is expected to have an edge-to-edge touchscreen, giving users more visibility while recording. Plus, protective bumps on the sides will ensure durability while maintaining the ruggedness GoPro is known for. 3. More physical controls for better accessibility. While touchscreens are great, physical buttons can be a lifesaver in action-packed situations. A dedicated button for switching modes or an instant record button would be a game-changer, ensuring you never miss an important shot. If GoPro implements this, it could make usability far smoother for action sports enthusiasts. 4. Improved heat management. No more overheating. One of the biggest issues with GoPro cameras, especially during high-resolution recording, is overheating. To combat this, the GoPro Hero 14 Black is expected to feature an advanced cooling system. Here's what we might see. A GP3 processor with better energy efficiency. Built-in heat sink for improved heat dissipation. Optimized firmware to prevent thermal shutdowns. These changes could finally make long-duration 4K and 5.3K video recording a seamless experience. 5. Extended battery life. More power for longer adventures. Let's face it, GoPro battery life has never been its strong suit. But if the Hero 14 Black gets a new, more efficient processor, battery life could see a major boost. Additionally, GoPro might introduce higher capacity battery options, allowing users to record for extended periods without frequent recharges. For travelers and vloggers, this would be a game-changing feature. How will it compete against DJI and Insta360? The action camera market is more competitive than ever. The DJI Osmo Action 5 has already raised the bar with its larger sensor and powerful stabilization features, while Insta360 continues to innovate with its modular designs and 360-degree recording capabilities. Can the GoPro Hero 14 Black outshine its rivals? Here's what GoPro needs to nail to stay on top. True HDR video to match DJI's dynamic range. AI-powered stabilization improvements beyond what we've seen in Hypersmooth. Native live streaming enhancements for content creators. A competitive price point. Can it stay under $500? If GoPro delivers on these fronts, the Hero 14 Black could be a true game changer. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the GoPro Hero 14 Black? If you're looking for the best action camera and are willing to wait a few months, the GoPro Hero 14 Black could be worth it. With a larger sensor, improved display, better battery life, and a new processor, it has the potential to redefine GoPro's legacy. However, if you need an action camera right now, the Hero 12 Black and DJI Osmo Action 5 remain excellent choices. But if you want the latest and greatest, it's probably best to hold off until September 2024. What do you think? Do you believe GoPro Hero 14 Black will dominate the action camera market? Or do you think DJI and Insta360 have already surpassed GoPro? Drop your thoughts in the comments section and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Review for more tech insights, reviews, and leaks.